Iran has shocked the entire world by ending a nuclear deal with Cairo. You're watching Times XP. I am Dhriti Atri, and tonight, West Asia is on the edge. A major nuclear agreement, something diplomats spent months negotiating, they have just killed it. And Iran says that it wasn't an accident, it was a Western murder. They killed the Cairo agreement, that's what Iran's foreign minister has claimed. Abbas Araghchi, he didn't whisper it. He posted it openly, boldly, bluntly on X. The US and Europe has destroyed the Cairo agreement. He accuses the US, Britain, France and Germany of breaking diplomacy, sabotaging the talks and forcing Iran to walk away. And this time Iran is not being subtle. Why did Iran walk out? Because the West, they passed a resolution that crossed the red line. The IAEA board, dominated by Western countries, passed a tough resolution demanding more reporting, more suspecting, inspections, more access, more details about Iran's uranium. The vote passed 19 to 3, with Russia, China, and Niger voting against. Now, to Iran, this wasn't oversight, this was humiliation. And it came right after Israel and the US bombed Iranian nuclear sites in June. Basically, Iran says that how can you bomb our facility and then demand more inspections? Though Iran's parliament already warned the entire world. After the June strike, Iran's parliament voted unanimously to suspend cooperation with the IAEA. They said that the agency stayed silent when Israel and the US attacked Iran's safeguard nuclear sites, facilities monitored by the IAEA itself. Yet, the IAEA refused to condemn the strikes. Now, to Iran, that silence was betrayal. Basically, a deal was reborn in Cairo after that. In September, Araghchi met the IAEA chief, Rafael, in Cairo. They agreed on a temporary plan. They agreed on limited inspections, advance notice, cooperation on site that were not bombed. It was supposed to rebuild trust. But after the new resolution, Iran says that Cairo deal is over. Iran hits back really hard. Iran calls the resolution illegal, unjustified, politically motivated, a violation to the NPT. Tehran says the IAEA is becoming a political tool for Western pressure. Well, their foreign ministry officially said that the US started this crisis when it left the nuclear deal in 2018. And now they blame us. Well, Russia and China, they back Iran on this. Within hours, 8 nations, including Russia, China, Belarus, Cuba, Nicaragua, Venezuela, and Zimbabwe, they sent a joint statement. They said the resolution ignores Israel's June airstrikes. The West is blind and deaf. Diplomacy has been killed deliberately. Russia's envoy was blunt. Real diplomacy does not include bombs or threats.